Okay, this is just a little kind of tutorial about this move that I learnt from Brett Starr via JCandent. Oh god, I might not be pronouncing that right. I think you know who you are. So came up with this. It's a great little thing, little devil roll down the arm to kind of almost like a fishtail transition, placing it on the neck and down the other arm. Pretty sweet, pretty nice. Obviously, there's a lot of other variations you can do in this, but this is a real nice one. Here we go again from the side. Very out of plane. I apologize. So that's the first part. It's like a devil roll from the shoulder down to your hand, and then you pull your hand across your body to the behind you, essentially across the plane of your body. And then this is a little fishtail transition, or like a little hand wrap transition. So it comes around onto the back of your hand, and then with that you can place it down onto your neck or throat, and a throaty neck. And then it's going to roll down your arm. That's what I'm gesturing to. They are up, 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 bam, 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 bam. Initially, yeah, I did close my hand around the staff in the hand wrap / fishtaily bit. But now I can do it with an open hand. I've done it a lot. But don't worry if you have to grip the staff again. That'll go away eventually. So you can see there, it's really across my body. It is behind my body at that point. And then in the hand wrap, it kind of transitions back in front of me so I can put it on my head. Bam, there. Put it on my head, put it on my neck. See there, I do grab it so you can see that's totally fine. You can do that. That's a good learning move. Never want to like learn to bash yourself in the head a lot. It's always better to learn a slightly safer way and then make it easier, I reckon. Oh, here I'm trying to demonstrate a kind of continuous way of doing it. It's not perfectly continuous. Like, obviously I'm going to grip it again and turn to do it in the opposite direction with the opposite hand. It's not the nicest pattern, but it is a good way of getting the left hand, for me, a bit more enthusiastic about the move. And obviously there are a lot of variations of this. Like different arm rolls, different arm roll paths, different things that happen. Oh, who's this? These are my brilliant patrons. I love them all. They help and support me make videos. You can too at this link. You can be really nice to me. You can get lots of cool stuff. Support me, make more videos, and put the little doggo in the video. Okay, bye.